Good morning. This video is for Miss Trinity Goodwin. Always good when she's winning. Trinity, we miss you in class. I'm so sorry to hear you have COVID, and I really hope you get better soon. Listen to the doctors. Plenty of fluids, right? Lots of rest, and you'll be fine. You'll be fine. In the meantime, thanks for asking about world history. So just two things that you need to be aware of. One is the ongoing geography. As you know, we are studying Europe, and this week we are kind of reviewing Northern Europe and Western Europe and playing some geography games with them. This one is Cetera. It combines Northern and Western Europe, and this is the Western Europe. I think it's the Google slide with the names of the countries and capitals that we wrote down in class. But you want to keep up with the with Europe, so that when you come back next week, you won't be so lost. We still have to go over Southern Europe and Eastern Europe, and then we'll take a test the week before winter break. So like we'll take the test around December 15th or 16th, depending on your class. Okay, the second thing that I want you to do this week is to finish absolutism and constitutionalism. So everything that you need for learning about absolutism and constitutionalism is in the folder, the active folder, called Absolutism and Constitutionalism. So you get the principles was one assignment I wanted you guys to do. There's the rule of law assignment. I think you did that one in class with us. Constitutionalism Cornell notes. If you didn't get those, use these slides right here to complete the Cornell notes. All right? And you should, I think you have already finished your absolutism hyperdoc. So you should have an understanding of both concepts. What is absolutism? What is constitutionalism? Your task, your assessment for this unit is to, in a way that makes sense to you, show me that you understand what those two concepts are. I'm including a rubric here for you to look at as you complete this assignment. Some of your classmates are choosing to just write a couple of paragraphs about absolutism and constitutionalism. Some of your classmates are doing Venn diagrams. Some are creating Google slides with like a definition of them and examples. Some students talked about, but I don't know that they actually did it. They talked about creating a video where they just kind of they just talk. They record themselves talking about absolutism and constitutionalism, and I'm totally fine with you doing that. That's perfectly acceptable. The rubric is here for you to look at, and if you have questions, just let me know. Those are the two things I would like you to work on, and if you have any questions, just let me know. All right, I hope you get better soon.